So what do we have here? We have two different kind of blower fans. One, these are both for the fan in the bathroom. This one is the heater one, the one that has the little heating elements in it. And as you can see, it has been neglected for many years. And the complaint is, don't feel hot air coming out. You barely feel hot air. It doesn't go too far, only within a few inches of your hand feeling from the vent. And that's because these are all filled up. And when they get filled up, as you can see here, you no longer have like a scoop or a spoon that pulls air out. You have flat vanes that just kind of like push air instead of scoop it. And if you look really close now that I have it clean, now that will work. The difference between that sharp edge and that filled up, where it's all filled up, that can no longer scoop air anymore. And the same goes for, you can see where I cleaned these three, and you can see where these are dirty. It's the same thing. The very edge corner is not sharp. So if you have an edge that's filled up with gunk, it looks like nothing. It just looks like, oh my god, there's so little, how could that possibly affect your airflow? But it's supposed to have a little well in here. Actually, you could see where it goes in and curves inside there, where you get that reflection change. That's like a spoon. And there you don't have that because it's filled up with dust. The spoon is the first thing that fills up with dust. So instead of being a scooper and scooping air as it goes around, it fills up in dust inside here and it becomes flat. And it still goes around, but it just kind of like barely pushes air. It's like a paddle instead of a scooper. And that's what happens inside these. And that little bit of dust makes it so this is supposed to be 70 CFM. It's probably 7 CFM. It would not even hold up a tissue paper, toilet paper. You put toilet paper up there, it would not suck it up. And this thing here, you could feel hot air, but only from like 3 or 4 inches away, and then that was it. So this will make all the difference in the world. It's all about airflow, and it doesn't matter if you have fans spinning, you're burning energy for nothing because it doesn't do anything. All right, that's it for today's airflow video. See ya.